How do you do, little hippo? Playing in the mud real slow. Wiggle your ears and stomp your feet. Big round belly and tiny seat. How do you do, cheetah zoomy? Running so fast, you're kinda loony. Dash through grass and leap so high. You're just a blur when you zoom by. How do you do, tall giraffe? Neck so long, it makes me laugh. Nibble leaves from way up there. Watch you walking with gentle flair. How do you do, bouncy bunny? Ears so long and nose so funny. Hop, hop, hop all through the day. Hide in the grass, then run away. How do you do, sleepy bear? Snuggled up in your cozy lair. Dreaming deep, the whole way through. Wake in spring with honey too. How do you do, sneaky fox? Creeping quiet in your socks. Fluffy tail and clever grin. Hiding where the woods begin. How do you do, kangaroo? Boing boing jumps just like you. Pouch for baby, legs so strong. You can bounce the whole day long. How do you do, moody moose? Big and tall, but kinda loose. Wade through rivers, munch on trees. Stomp around with knobby knees. How do you do, panda bear? Eating bamboo everywhere. Tumble down and roll around, soft and cuddly on the ground. How do you do, little mole? Digging tunnels, that's your goal. Underground you love to play. In the dark you spend your day.